In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of a background in Canva. So let me first show you how you can get here, and then I'll show you how you can change the color into a solid color and a gradient. So Canva have recently updated their interface. Now what you need to do is once you've created an account on Canva, go ahead and create a design, or you can create from a template. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a custom size design, just a blank design, right? So we'll go custom size and we'll enter 1920 by 1080 dimensions. And here we are on a custom Canva design. Now you can work from a template, but you're just going to have to find the background. So once you've got the background visible, right, click on the background and then this will open here. Now you can go to the background color picker. And from here, you can go ahead and change it to any document colors. This is good if you've got a template and you want to work from the same colors. You can then scroll down to these solid colors. And if you click on any of these, it's going to change the color. Now, if you wanted to add a custom color, you go add new color here and click this plus icon. And here you can go ahead and change it to a very specific color. And you can add in a color code here. If you wanted to add a gradient, you can go ahead and click a default gradient down here. Or again, if you wanted to add a custom gradient, go add new color, make sure you click gradient, then add new gradient, and then you can choose what colors you want the gradient to fade into. So that's how you can change the background color in Canva.